We're about to change radio in Mondeo MK4, plus we're installing the camera today.
It's easy to assembly and disassembly. To install back camera in Mondeo MK5, so you need to disassemble this panel. You need to break through the cable with the gum part. As you can see, you have it here, the gum, which is this gray cable, and it's break through to the camera. Then you can install it. You need to go through the pot to break it through, and then you can just disassemble it easily, just to pull out, and then just go there, and it's quite easy. It's tricky when it's here, then you need to just take it off, and then use probably a screwdriver to have some space, and then put the cable inside.
Sprawdziłem więc od razu odpowiednią tabelę procentową, z której wyszło.
To have a view on the camera on the reverse gear, it's to connect to the reverse cable. Whenever we'll put the gear, it will automatically turn on camera. Then you must connect GPS. Sometimes you have this FACRA radio antenna, so then you need to buy additional adapter. So we have this FACRA 2. We need to plug it to 12 volt.
Listen everybody, baby, come on. Listen everybody.